Hi, I'm Adam and this is Knauf ProRoll, which is a roller applied plaster for quick and simple jobs. I like that it's ready mixed, so I can just open it up and go. All you need is a 9-inch medium pile roller and a medium spatula. Make sure your surface is clean and sound and then simply start rolling. When the surface is slightly tacky, smooth over with a spatula. Allow 12 to 18 hours drying time between coats. Here's a smoother wall, but I only need ProRoll Light to put a nice even finish on. Another thing I like is you can use ProRoll Max to level an uneven surface, and then ProRoll Light to finish it. I found it easy to get a smooth result, and that's with no power or water either. If you've got a small job that needs some plastering work done, ProRoll is ideal.